Canva just added a new AI feature to Animate, and it's pretty impressive. Let's take a look, and I'll walk you through exactly how it works. With your Canva homepage open, click on the purple Create a Design circle on the left toolbar and select Presentation, or choose it from the Templates area. Once it opens, go ahead and add a headline, a couple of text boxes, and an image. To get to Magic Animate, you need the floating toolbar. So start by clicking any element on your page. In that toolbar, click Animate. Most of us have tried Canva's animations before. We click on an element, choose an animation from Canva's long list, and apply it individually. Magic Animate is different. This applies a smart, AI-generated animation to your entire page in one click. An animation panel opens on the left with two tabs, Page and Text, and Canva defaults to Text. The Text tab is where you can animate text blocks individually. You'll see all the familiar animation options here. But the real magic happens when you switch to the Page tab. Right at the top, you'll see Magic Animate. The heading says Animate Entire Page, and just below it, a box labeled Instantly Animate All Pages in a Style of Your Choice. New. Below that, Canva shows you about 20 featured page animations. You can hover over each one to preview how it affects your page layout. But if you click the main Magic Animate box at the top, Canva gives you a different set of animations, a recommended style plus 8 more options. These are AI-generated choices based on your actual content, so they won't be the same every time. Magic Animate has analyzed your page and picked the animations it thinks will work best. One thing you'll notice: Magic Animate doesn't give speed controls or timing adjustments. Those options still exist in the Text tab for standard element animations, but in Magic Animate, Canva sets the pace for you. Honestly, the presets are tuned pretty well, and for fast content creation, this actually makes things easier. Magic Animate works great anytime you need to quickly add animation in YouTube intros, TikTok, and any video reels. If you want clean, modern motion without learning animation, this is it. And that's Magic Animate, a brand new Canva AI tool worth exploring. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.